Welcome to this 4-bedroom house for sale in Aspen Hills Nature Estate, Johannesburg, Gauteng, South Africa for R4,050,000. This lovely home offers a double-volume entrance hall with a staircase, guest bedroom with built-in cupboards with an ensuite full bathroom all tiled from floor to walls. Open-plan lounge and dining room with a stackable sliding door leading onto a covered entertainment area with a built-in braai, sizeable sparkling pool. Gourmet wood kitchen unit with granite countertops, loads of counter space cupboards with a gas stove, oven and a double-door fridge space, separate well-spaced scullery. Underfloor heater on all rooms for cold and winter days. Upstairs consists of a pajama lounge, all porcelain tiled, and the 3 bedrooms with built-in cupboards and 2 full bathrooms. The master bedroom has a walk-in closet and a full bathroom with a very modern designed shower and a spa bath with his and hers basins. All bathrooms have built-in cupboards and with porcelain tile. Double automated tiled garage and a beautiful manicured garden. This home is a dream to view. Levies are $1,200. Rates are $980. Electricity prepaid. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.